Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 171. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, with a clear beginning and end? A. They visited Rome in 2020. B. They visit Rome every year. C. They are visiting Rome. D. They have visited Rome. Correct answer, they visited Rome in 2020. Simple past tense. Question number 172. Which tense expresses an offer or a polite request for assistance? A. Will you help me with this? B. Are you helping me with this? C. Do you help me with this? D. Did you help me with this? Correct answer, will you help me with this? Simple future tense. Question number 173. Which tense describes a past action whose consequence is still relevant or ongoing in the present? A. I broke my arm. It's still in a cast. B. I broke my arm last week. C. I was breaking my arm. D. I break my arm. Correct answer, I broke my arm. Present perfect tense, implying the current state. Question number 174. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another action, usually shorter, occurred? A. While she cooked, the phone rang. B. While she was cooking, the phone rang. C. While she has cooked, the phone rang. D. While she cooks, the phone rings. Correct answer, while she was cooking, the phone rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 175. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another event or time in the past? A. He left before I arrived. B. He had left before I arrived. C. He is leaving before I arrive. D. He will leave before I arrive. Correct answer, he had left before I arrived. Past perfect tense. Question number 176. Which tense is used to talk about a future event that will be finished by a specific future date? A. By next year, they build a new school. B. By next year, they will build a new school. C. By next year, they will have built a new school. D. By next year, they are building a new school. Correct answer, by next year, they will have built a new school. Future perfect tense. Question number 177. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that began in the past and is still continuing up to the present? A. It rains for hours. B. It has rained for hours. C. It has been raining for hours. D. It is raining for hours. Correct answer, it has been raining for hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 178. Which tense describes a past ongoing action that caused a past result, focusing on the activity? A. Her eyes were tired because she read all night. B. Her eyes were tired because she had been reading all night. C. Her eyes are tired because she reads all night. D. Her eyes will be tired because she will read all night. Correct answer, her eyes were tired because she had been reading all night. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 179. Which tense is used for stating facts or habits? A. Cats chase mice. B. Cats are chasing mice. C. Cats chased mice. D. Cats will chase mice. Correct answer, I am learning to play the guitar. Present continuous tense. Question number 180. Which tense describes a finished action that happened at a definite time in the past? A. He went to the store this morning. B. he goes to the store every morning. C. He is going to the store. D. He has gone to the store. Correct answer, he went to the store this morning. Simple past tense. Like, comment, share and subscribe.